In the realm of smart cleaning, the Roborock S5 Max robot vacuum and mop cleaner emerges as a force to be reckoned with, offering a symphony of features that elevate your cleaning experience. This review aims to delve into the myriad capabilities that make the S5 Max stand out, providing an in-depth exploration of its functionality, power, and convenience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Customizable mopping. Tailor your clean. The S5 Max brings a new level of customization to mopping. Set your preferred water flow for each room, ensuring you get precisely the cleaning intensity you desire. This attention to detail showcases Roborock's commitment to meeting individual cleaning preferences. Effective cleaning every time. Precision in action. Powered by Lidar navigation and adaptive route algorithms, the S5 Max ensures thorough and efficient cleaning with every operation. No spot is left untouched, and the precision mapping capability allows you to customize cleaning preferences with ease. Serious cleaning power. Unleashing 2000 PA suction. The S5 Max doesn't compromise on power. With a maximum suction power of 2000 PA, it effortlessly lifts dirt from hard floors and employs carpet boost technology to ensure maximum cleaning power on carpets. The 180-minute runtime allows it to cover large homes in a single cleaning session. Precision mapping. Total control at your fingertips. The S5 Max offers a level of control that sets it apart. Save up to 4 levels of maps, including individual rooms, no-go zones, no mop zones, and invisible walls. This level of customization provides total control over where and when your robot cleans, catering to your unique household needs. App and voice control. Effortless command center. The Roborock app puts the power in your hands. Control every aspect of your robot from anywhere, start and stop cleanups, and more with the added convenience of voice control through Amazon Alexa support. Clean massive spaces. Auto top-up for effortless cleaning. Effortlessly clean expansive spaces with auto top-up. When the robot senses low battery levels, it returns to the dock, recharges, and resumes cleaning precisely where it left off, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning for larger homes. Room-to-room travel. Seamless navigation. The S5 Max conquers thresholds between rooms with its 0.8-inch climbing ability, ensuring that every room in your house receives a comprehensive cleaning, regardless of potential obstacles. Corner-to-corner cleaning. No spot left behind. The inclusion of a side brush that accelerates at the edges of rooms ensures that corners are cleaned with precision, leaving minimal dead spots. The S5 Max's attention to detail extends to every nook and cranny. Minimal sound disruption. Clean in peace. At just 69 dB of noise during operation, the S5 Max allows you to clean whenever you want without causing disruption, ensuring a peaceful coexistence with your daily activities. Reach under beds and sofas. Comprehensive cleaning, no effort. Measuring just 3/8 inches tall, the S5 Max effortlessly reaches under beds and sofas, ensuring that even those hard-to-reach areas are thoroughly cleaned. Safe from drops. Intelligent fall sensing. Equipped with fall sensing technology, the S5 Max recognizes when it approaches a drop, preventing any accidents and ensuring safe operation. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.